Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best stud finders that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch GMS120 Digital Multi-Scanner. The Bosch Digital Multi-Scanner GMS120 is a powerhouse of a wall scanner. It has 3 modes, wood, metal, and electrical power, and is quite accurate with all 3. In addition to the 3 scan modes, the Bosch has a center finder for studs, a magnetic sensor to show screws and other metal, and a ring that changes color depending on how close you are to the material you're seeking. The light-up ring changes from green, no stud sensed, to yellow, close, to red, directly on top of a stud. The ring is also hollow, allowing accurate marks right in the center of the sensor. For bonus points, the ring is wide enough to accept a permanent marker if that's your writing implement of choice. We appreciated not having to hold any buttons down to use it, which was more comfortable in awkward positions, like looking for ceiling joists. We also love the light-up screen, which made it easy to use in crawl spaces or other dimly lit areas. Moving on at number 4, we have the Zircon MultiScanner A200. The Zircon MultiScanner A200 is an excellent tool that is easy to use, accurate, and won't break the bank. The A200 has modes to detect wood, metal, and live wires, as well as a deep scan mode for penetrating thick walls. Its center marking was dead center in our tests, and though the edge sensing was off by a little, it aired on the inside so you'll still hit your stud. Thanks to its large illuminated screen, marking notch, and illuminated arrow that's projected onto the wall, using the Zircon in the field was easy even in dark or awkward positions. We found the metal and AC modes worked well enough, but the stud finder tended to pick up on both from several inches away. If you need to locate metal accurately, you can recalibrate the device over top of metal objects to decrease sensitivity and more accurately mark metal objects. At number 3, we have the Franklin Sensors ProSensor T13. The Franklin Sensors ProSensor T13 proved to be reliable and accurate in our tests, as well as one of the easiest to use. Instead of a screen that lights up when over a stud or stud edge, the ProSensor has a bar of lights that shine when directly over a stud or object. To avoid near misses, the lights always air on the inside of a stud. We love that it shows the entire stud as well as the center marking in a single view, which could help when there are non-standard sized studs behind the sheetrock. It also has a level, a ruler, and a straight edge to make accurate marks on the wall. Of all the stud finders that we tested, this was the one we went back to after testing was over to complete our home projects. At number 2, we have the Black + Decker BullsEye Auto Leveling Laser. The Black & Decker BullsEye is a simple tool, but it does have a few great features that help with many projects that require a stud finder. First, the name comes from the large circle on top where there's a hole just big enough for a pencil tip to mark the wall, ensuring accurate marks every time. There's also a live wire detection feature in the form of a small red light. Where it really shines, though, is the laser level. We found this feature incredibly helpful when hanging multiple picture frames, allowing us to line up nails and hangers with precision across a room. The laser is broad enough to work on textured sheetrock as well, which not every laser level is. And finally at number 1, we have the Hansen 03040 Magnetic Stud Finder. Despite the various technological advancements of density scanning that many wall scanners use, there is nothing more reliable than a magnet finding a screw holding the sheetrock to the stud. That's why the Hansen 03040 Magnetic Stud Finder is great. Magnets don't get false readings, nor do they have a hard time differentiating between different materials. Either it is steel or it isn't. Magnets work great with sheetrock and even better with plaster and lathe walls, as many older buildings have. The Hansen model also comes with a level, which allows you to ensure its point on the bottom is facing plumb straight down. What the CH Hansen offers in reliability, it lacks in additional capabilities. It will only find the screws in the studs and not the stud itself, so we were never sure if we were drilling into the center of the stud or not. Sheetrock screws are usually 12 to 16 inches apart, so it can take a little bit of noodling around to find 2 screws to ensure the line of a stud. Still, for ease of use and no false positives, the CH Hansen magnetic stud finder is pretty handy.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.